In the highly anticipated UK new medium helicopter program, valued at $4 billion, Leonardo emerges as the sole contender following the withdrawal of its rivals, Airbus and Sikorsky. Leonardo proposed its AW149, a robust and versatile helicopter, while Airbus, in collaboration with Boeing, had put forward the H175M, tailored to the specific requirements of the Ministry of Defense. Sikorsky, a subsidiary of Lockheed Martin, offered the renowned S-70M Black Hawk, known for its reliability and performance in various missions. The new medium helicopter is a British military program to procure up to 44 medium lift support helicopters to replace aging fleet of Royal Air Force and British Army helicopters. The program, as originally announced in 2021, was intended to bring new medium lift helicopters into service in 2025. The withdrawal of Airbus and Sikorsky leaves Leonardo and its AW149 model alone in the race to replace an aging fleet of helicopters, including the Royal Air Force's Puma HC-2, Bell 212, Griffon HAR-2, and Dauphin AH-1. These helicopters, although in service for over 5 decades, have been modernized but are nearing the end of their operational life. Adam Clark, the managing director of Leonardo Helicopters UK, said that the project could contribute more than 12,000 jobs to the UK supply chain, including 1,500 skilled jobs, some of which would be based in Yeovil. The helicopter already exists, so it does not need to be built from scratch, and was designed and built with the military in mind. The AW149 was built as an all-new military design, focusing on survivability on the modern battlefield, operations from austere environments, and maximizing aircraft availability while minimizing through-life costs. Launched in the 2000s, the AW149 was specifically designed to meet the needs of armed forces in terms of performance, durability, and operational flexibility. The Leonardo's AW149 helicopter is equipped with powerful engines, allowing it to carry out missions in challenging conditions while carrying a heavier payload. Its robust design enables it to operate in environments ranging from desert zones to Arctic regions. The AW149's armament can include 7.62mm machine guns and rocket launchers. It is equipped with a 2,800 kilograms external cargo hook and a multi-mode radar for monitoring marine, terrestrial, and air environments. Electro-optical infrared sensors with laser tracking, rangefinder, and designator enhance its reconnaissance capabilities. An integrated and scalable defensive aids suite offers multispectral protection, and its open avionics architecture allows for the rapid and cost-effective integration of additional systems. The trials took place in an undisclosed European country in the final quarter of 2021. More than 200 rockets were fired in the course of around 70 flight hours. Taking place by day and night, the trials involved weapons launched in level forward and diving flight while hovering, singly and in salvos, and at varying target distances, out to 4 kilometers. Sophisticated computer modeling has been used to analyze the survivability in a crash at numerous impact angles and attitudes, demonstrating that the AW149 meets the most stringent requirements. The rotor blades have been demonstrated to retain their structural integrity for at least 90 minutes after a strike from a 12.7mm round. The AW149 will also feature Leonardo's Modular Advanced Platform Protection System, which combines laser, missile, and radar warning receivers with various effectors, including the MISIS-directed infrared countermeasures. In other version, the AW149 in Polish armed forces will be armed with mainly air-to-ground missiles and rockets to be used against armored targets. In particular, the weapons chosen were the FZ-231 and FZ-275 unguided and laser-guided rockets, followed by the AGM-114K Hellfire II. Those weapons were ordered 1 year before the delivery of the first 2 units in 2022. The AW149 can be strategically transported by aircraft such as the C-17, C-130J, and A-400M. Designed to operate in extreme weather conditions from -40 to +55°C, thanks to its anti-icing options, the AW149 is an all-weather, flexible and scalable platform, promising to significantly strengthen the UK's defence industry by committing Leonardo to localize up to 70% of its production and maintenance in the country. Equipped with engine air filters suited for desert operations, the AW149 also features main and tail rotor blades that are tolerant to ballistic impacts, essential for conflict zones. Its transmission can operate without lubrication for 50 minutes over 100 nautical miles, providing reliability in emergencies. With a payload capacity of over 3,800 kilograms, it is equipped for fast roping, rappelling, and has a rescue hoist. The helicopters currently in service with the British fleet perform a diverse range of crucial missions for the UK Armed Forces. These aircraft are essential for rapid troop transport, often in conflict zones or hard-to-reach terrains, thus facilitating tactical and strategic operations. They also play a vital role in the rescue of personnel in combat zones, such as combat search and rescue missions, as well as in medical evacuation operations, where they quickly transport the injured to medical facilities. Moreover, certain helicopters like the Leonardo AW149 are specially equipped to support special forces operations, providing a quick and agile platform for sensitive and high-risk missions. They are also used for surveillance and reconnaissance missions, gathering vital intelligence on enemy activities or for internal security operations. Given these requirements, the new medium helicopter program is designed not only to replace this aging fleet, but also to improve and expand the operational capabilities of the British military. The new medium helicopter must offer significant improvements in terms of technology, payload capacity, operational range, and versatility. Particular emphasis will be placed on enhancing the aircraft's survivability in hostile environments, modernizing communication and navigation systems, and optimizing modularity to allow for quick configurations tailored to the specific needs of each mission. Thus, the new medium helicopter program aims to provide a more effective and adaptable response to contemporary and future defense and security challenges.